Tansy was an egg dish commonly associated with the springtime in the 17th century. There were many different recipes for tansy, including this one from the early 1600s. In this video, we'll teach you a modern version you can cook at home in your own kitchen. Today we'll be making a tansy using eggs, so as you might have guessed it, you'll need 4 eggs. Begin by breaking 3 of the eggs into a large bowl. In the 17th century, the word tansy had 2 meanings. It was both a medicinal herb and an egg dish similar to a frittata or omelet. Take the last egg and separate out the yolk from the white. Add this yolk to the bowl with the other eggs. Pour a 1/4 cup of heavy cream into the same bowl. Whisk the eggs and cream together until thoroughly combined and the mixture is a light golden color. Next, add your spices to the egg mixture: a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Whisk again until incorporated. To thicken the tansy, use your choice of hearty, crusty bread. Tear the bread into small pieces equaling 1 cup and stir into the egg mixture. Set aside and allow the bread to soak up the eggs. Meanwhile, coarsely chop spinach. Medicinal herbs like tansy were often used in the food tansy, but steer clear of the herb. It has genuine purgative effects. This recipe uses spinach, but feel free to use your favorite leafy green. Stir 1 cup chopped spinach into the bread and eggs. Heat a small cast iron or non-stick frying pan over medium heat and melt 1½ tablespoons butter. Once the frying pan is warm and the butter is melted, pour in all of the egg mixture. Smooth out the mixture to cover the entire pan. As it cooks, slide your spatula under the tansy to ensure it doesn't stick to the pan. There were many variations of tansy in the 17th century, using everything from apples to fish roe. Now for the tricky part. Once the tansy has set and the eggs are no longer runny, gently slide the tansy out of the frying pan onto a plate. Dot the top of the tansy with the remaining butter, then invert your frying pan over the plate. Using a towel or oven mitt, if necessary, flip the plate and frying pan together in unison so that the uncooked side of the tansy is now facing downward in the pan. Return the pan to the heat and cook for several more minutes until the underside of the tansy has also set. Again, trying to keep the tansy in one piece, slide the tansy out of the pan and back onto the plate. Sprinkle the top of the tansy with sugar to taste.